Hello everyone, welcome to Tour 335. I think there may be a few people in our class who have not used Moodle before, so I thought I'd do a little video so that you can see how we use Moodle and how to access it and what's available in this course on the course Moodle page. Once you've signed into Moodle, you will get your dashboard view, and once you're on your dashboard view, you will notice the courses that you're enrolled in will show up here. So in this case, you are enrolled in Tour 33502, so you should have this. And what you'll want to do is click on this link to get into the course. Once you've clicked on the course, you'll come to the main Moodle page or the main course page. The way that the course is set up is Moodle uses blocks to load information or to allow the instructor to load information. So the way that this course is laid out is I've got a course information block first. Each block after that has the information that you will need for each of your assignments. You also have the option to hide the quick links by clicking on this link, which will give you more real estate. On the right side of the page are also quick links that will take you immediately to these types of activities. So assignments will take you to a list of all the assignments in one easy to use space. You can see your choices, you can see the forums that we'll be using in the course, you can see the glossaries, you can see the quizzes once they're available. You also have the calendar in this course, that's on the course page, sorry, and you can scroll through to see what's due next and see the due dates for the courses. What you'll find in here is not just what's due for this course, but any other instructor that's also using Moodle, you will see the course due dates in your calendar. So this one is showing me everything for more than one course. You can also see the upcoming events quickly to see what's due next and what's due the soonest. So going back to the top, the first block is the course information page. This forum is a place where you can click on and post a question. If you need a group, you just add a new discussion topic. If you need a group, if you have a question about something we talked about in class, I encourage you to use that resource of speaking and networking with your classmates. If someone doesn't answer the question, the instructor, will post an answer as well. So this is a good place for you to post that type of stuff. If you need to reach me, my instructor contact details are here. Under the course information, I've also included a resource called Tips for Being Successful in this course. It's a resource for English language support that's free to use for non-native English speakers. A link to the Writing Center, which might be useful to help improve writing skills. How to download the Moodle calendar, which I referred to before, to your calendar app, whether you're using Mac or Google or Outlook. Online tools for teamwork. We'll have 2 group projects in this course, and I've provided you with some online links or some links to online resources that will help with teamwork or group work, and tips from previous Tour 335 students. So I asked a couple of students to give you some idea of how they did well in the course. So there's 3 short PDFs that you can have a look at. And then there's also the Trek Student Moodle resource page that we maintain with job opportunities, volunteer opportunities, networking opportunities. The course information block also includes the PDF version of the course outline. I'll be handing this out in the first class and reviewing it, and an overview of the assessments that you'll be completing this semester. I will also hand that out in class and review it. Through the course, you'll hear me talking about the different tools that we're learning and tools that will help you to actually do strategic management. I've compiled those tools into a presentation or a PowerPoint that summarizes each of the tools or summarizes the course content as we go along. So you may want to refer to this, especially for your final project. Following the course information, each of the next few blocks has information that's dedicated to each of the various learning assessments that you will be assigned. These ones with a little hand are where you would submit your submission or your paper. In this case, we have 3 forums as well. So we'll be participating in in-class discussion, but for those students who really don't wish to speak up in class, these are the forums that are provided for you to provide postings to also apply the course terminology and the course concepts that we'll be learning. You'll be doing a presentation in Learning Assessment number 2, and you'll find the submission here, and then this is a little wiki sign. You come here to sign up. We'll be doing a library tutorial for assignment number 3, so in this case you'll want to make your choice as to which time works best for you, so you click and save your choice. You'll also find, the other thing I just wanted to point out is that for each of the assignments, the submission page will also have whatever documentation relates to the assignment. So here is the assessment guidelines, which is something I'll hand out in class, but in case you missed it or you wanted a soft copy, the assessment guidelines are always provided. Sometimes I'll provide an example, which should be used as a guide rather than copying exactly. And then any templates that I would ask you to use are also going to be here, so you would click and download the template and complete that as well. And then when you're ready to submit, you click on add your submission, upload the file, and then I can see it and grade it. Once I grade the paper, I resubmit it or re-upload it, and so you can actually see the feedback that's provided in the comments of your document. There are 4 quizzes that we'll be taking, and the quizzes become available. When you click on the quiz, it tells you when the quiz is available and when it closes, as well as once it becomes available, you'll be able to actually click on here and do the quiz. And for each of these assignments, I will hand out and we will discuss it in class, but this just gives you an idea of where you can find it on the course Moodle page. The thing that I wanted to show you is you can also have a look at your grade sheet. And when you click on grades, you will be able to see your result of each of your grades will be posted in this block or in this spot once the grades have been assessed and I've submitted them online. The grades are divided into 2 groups. There's individual assessments, and students must achieve 50% or higher on the total of these individual assessments. So in other words, you need to get 30 out of 60 in order to pass the course. And then the team assessments are listed here, and you must get 50 out of 100, which includes the tally for this team assessment total, as well as the tally for this, the individual assignments, in order to pass the course. So I think that's everything that you need to know for now. I will be handing out hard copies of each of the assignment requirements in class, and we'll be reviewing them in class. If you do have any questions, please don't hesitate to send me an email or come by and see me during office hours. I will have office hours this week, and I will have office hours from every week going forward. I encourage you to make use of them, and my contact details are here for my office number and my email address. I look forward to meeting all of you next week.